we had until now with Inspect 1.0, since we have done the first release of Inspect from in September, and then we have done like 6 releases in 6 months. So that's how we are evolving our software every month, and we are listening to customers and then adapting to their needs and then updating our software every month. Let me introduce Inspect 2.0, which we have shown you on a keynote. So Inspect 2.0 is around capturing the data even more powerful way. One of that is a point cloud as a 3D view. As you know, I have mentioned in my presentation that like 3D is not that common yet to use it for the inspection or to have it, because it requires like the high-end softwares to generate 3D models, and then for the many old structure they may not have any 3D models. What we are introducing with Inspect 2.0 is a point cloud as a 3D model directly from your iPad using the latest technology of iPad called LiDAR. So this is available with the latest iPad only. You can search which iPad has latest LiDAR, and then you can use those. So it's as simple as it like you are recording a video. It's just like I'll show you that I have a demo on that. You are recording a video, and then once you are done with the recording of video, you press done, and your 3D model is ready. So there is no any delay on that. And the point cloud, what you are generating from Inspect, you can export it to other formats. Right now, OBJ, in future, there will be. Many benefits of this. You don't have to just work on 2D or your map just because that you don't have 3D, but it make more sense for your inspection than to have the 3D. So now you can do that. You don't need any very expert knowledge on this. It is as simple as recording a video. It will save your time to create your 3D replica. It's very easy to use, no expert knowledge required. It will just save a lot of money on converting a 3D your asset to a 3D replica. Because if you go for the professional scanners, it takes a lot of time. It requires expert knowledge, and then it's a time consuming as well. So that's point cloud as 3D. You can place your spots directly on this 3D. I'll show you that. With Inspect 2.0, the another biggest feature what we have launched is assisted capture, which is automated photo mapping. What does it mean? So consider a case where you are on an inspection site, and then you are capturing thousands of photos from your phone. At the end of the day, you will not know where it's have taken this photo. At the end of the day, you will not know if the floor is very big. You will not know whether I have walked through entire floor or not, whether I have covered all the entire floor to take the photos. With assisted capture, we provide real-time automatic location tagging, which means that when you are taking a photo, we will mark your location automatically on the 2D floor plan, without any beacon, without any other technology. This is out of the box from your iPad. It just requires the ARKit enabled iPads. Just like I mentioned, for point cloud 3D, you need a LiDAR. For this technology, you just need ARKit. I think it is available in most of the iPads. Even if you have the iPad less than 2 to 3 year old, it doesn't require the very latest one. And along with that, you can do the 3D 360 photos. There are many benefits. It reduces the photo reporting time by 20 times. Because now you are just taking a photo, and then your location information is automatically captured. It is organized photo documentation. As I said, organized because all this photo what you have taken from the inspection site, it has a lot of information, and it is not just a data photo. And it provides an efficient visual inspection. So as this is this feature is more about like a photo taking, so it's like a targeting to more of a visual inspection. With Inspect 2.0, now we have introduced ability to take 360 photos. With the camera what we support right now is the Report Z1 and V. I'll share you more details on that. It has a manual and the assisted capture. The assisted capture workflow I showed you. So during taking the assisted capture also, you can do the 360 photos, and it will pin your location information on your 3D floor plan. It's a full view because the 360, once you have taken the 360 photo, you can view the entire photo, and then it will show you all the aspects very clearly. So that has a value. It shows the full context of your surrounding, where you were. Okay. And then these are the two camera what we support. As you can see on the left side, that's our Singapore office. So you can see the entire 360 view of it. As we have introduced this new assisted capture and an ability to have these 360 photos in Inspect, now you need to have all this data, what you have collected, these photos collected from the spot or collected from the assisted capture. We required a very smart way to visualize this data. So we introduced this smart photo gallery. It's a photo repository of all the photos what you have taken. You can sort these photos based on the time or location, or there are many filter capability on both on your iPad and on the web. So benefit, it's intuitive photo management. Your photos are not lost. As I mentioned, it is organized now. It's complete visual record of your asset or your inspection data, and it provides you a progress tracking and time comparability. The photo which was taken 1 month before and the photo is taken now, you can compare those photos and then see what has changed. So that's the ability of a smart photo gallery. The last feature of this 2.0, along with like now you have captured all this photo. At the end of the day, what's the output for any inspector is the report, right? As I've seen in the earlier one. So here now we have introduced a new report format, especially for photos. So it will only have the data which is related to the photo. So it will have the photo and the location where the photo was taken. So this is purely photo reporting tool. So it's a neat, it's a PDF format. It will have photo and the location, and it can be generated again as a one click. That's our essence of Inspect, a one click report generation. It's a quick reporting and directly from the site. Again, once you are done with all the photo taking, you can just report you can prepare the report directly from the site. It will provide a visual progress of your inspection of your asset. So you are done you have taken like 300 photos today, and then prepare the report. Now you can do the same, and then you can see that. So this is like how you can visually track the report. And the same as other reports, you can export and share your observation directly from the site. Okay. So let me show you two demos mainly. One is related to assisted capture, how the capture is done using Inspect, and the second is around point cloud, how you can capture the point cloud and use it in Inspect. So this is a demo on assisted capture, and then it will also include like how you can take the 360 photos with Inspect. So as you see, this one is this is Inspect. If you go in, now this is my floor plan. Now to start with, I will tell the system where I am exactly on this floor plan. So that's the only thing what you have to do when you are wanted to start. Now I tell the system there I am. Now I'm just walking to the next point, and then system is asking now tell me where you are. So this is the only thing what you need to do. And then once you are done, then system, the iPad will follow you. Now you can see on the left top, it is showing you the field of view where you are viewing. Now here I am taking the photo. You can see on this 2D floor plan on the left top, I have taken the picture here. Okay, now I am walking, and if I find anything here, I take a picture. Now on the bottom you can see all the picture what I am taking now. It is showing all the picture over there, and also on the floor plan you can see all the pics. So now I have started my this 360 camera. capturing the data. And then once I'm done, you can see like this 360 photo is also pinned on my 2D floor plan. You can tap on it live when you are doing the inspection. You can take a look. You can go to the 360 view and see whether you have taken the correct 360 view or not. If not, you can delete the photo and then redo it. So that's the thing what I mentioned. You don't have to like it saves your time in recollecting the data, because of the data what you are collecting, you can see it live. If you don't, if you are not happy with the data, you can delete and you can recollect the data. So that's the big thing. So here, if I see certain problems, I take a photo, I go ahead, and then that's how you can see the system is still following me. I know where I am. It is covering all the where I'm covering all the floor plan while taking the picture. I'm just I'm just walking with my iPad with my video on, and now wherever I'm walking, it is following me and then telling me where you are. I can always, whenever, like as many as 360 photos, there is no any limitation on how many photos you can take when you are using Inspect, or normal photo, iPad photo, or a 360 photo. So you can take as many photos as you want. Okay, and then you can always view these photos. So you can see that I can go back to the 2D floor plan view, and I can keep my camera view on the back, and I can see that where I'm walking. And if I see certain things, I can go ahead and then take the picture again. So that's assisted capture for you. And then now let me show you the demo on point cloud, which you can use it as a 3D view. So this is Inspect. This is the home screen of Inspect. Then that's a demo asset building. What you are saying is the inspection project or the asset. Click on it. I'll go inside the asset, the 3D view, and tap on this 3D scan. Or I can upload the IFC model. So I tap this scan. You can see that this screen just looks like as a video screen. So now I started with the recording the environment where I want to do the scan. You can see this green shading is coming. That is showing me that like I have covered this area. Once I am done, this model is readily available for me. So this is the point cloud data. You can see I have two options, mesh and point cloud. So this is around 300 square meter area. This Singapore office, half of it. So this is 300 square meter area, and I have done the scanning of this using my iPad only in 2 minutes. And then within 2 minutes, my 3D model for 300 square meter area is ready for me to use it for placing my spot and then collecting the data. Okay, so that's all about our Inspect and Inspect 2.0. So let me walk you through about the key takeaways out of this today's session before we go to the next one. So Inspect allows you to collect the structured data. It allows you to prepare, reduces the time to prepare your report. It's accessible to everyone. It's a cloud connected. As you can see, like we have this app and the web. So the data which is collected from the app is automatically available on the web from the inspection site. As with assisted capture, now it's like it's a faster way of photo documentation. So you can I show you that you can just walk around the entire site and then take a photo, and all the data is like synchronized and located automatically. We have a seamless integration with our entity tools, so you can pull in all the data from GPR, PUNDIT, and Schmidt, and then have one single unified report. We have full access control on web, so you can decide to whom you can give access to your data and to whom you cannot. So there are different roles and permissions we have set. So based on that, you can decide to whom to give the access to the data. So unless you don't give the access, the data lies with you only. No one else can access the data. On-site 3D creation, that's the capability what we have introduced in Inspect 2.4 with the latest iPad using LiDAR functionality.